it's Michelle Cook, and I thank you for giving me this opportunity to explain our new summer reading initiative to you. First, before we launch into all about our new summer reading initiative, I want to just bring you back to remind you what we've done in years past. So in the past, our students were required to select a text from a short list and to complete this bookmark activity that asked them to detail some basic information about their book, the title, the author, and some basic character and plot information. And after receiving some feedback from a variety of sources, I decided to form a curricular team to really revitalize our summer reading project so that it better aligns to our philosophy and our balanced literacy framework. So with that, the committee and I met multiple times throughout the year, and we created a new website that is designed to launch our new initiative and provide clear direction to students, parents, teachers, and community members. For right now, I have that website linked on our district web page under Curriculum Office. You'll find our Curriculum Professional Learning and Technology page. And there, underneath Language Arts, you will see our Summer Reading Initiative. Once you click on that, you will be brought to our Summer Reading Initiative webpage. So our webpage has everything you need if you're a parent, a student, a teacher, or a community member, all in one place. And we start with our introduction to remind parents and students that this initiative is grounded in research as well as in our beliefs about children and reading. And it reminds them that our beliefs as a district is that we believe that valuing student choices values the student. We believe that choice empowers learners. We believe that choice leads to real and meaningful conversations. It helps establish and deepen relationships. And it leads to knowledge, and it's knowledge of words as well as knowledge of the world. And as you can see, there's a pattern here. We really value our students and their ability to make those choices for themselves. And because of these beliefs, we have three main goals. And our first goal is to empower readers through that choice and enable students to develop independent reading lives by cultivating interests and curiosities. We want reading to be the springboard that connects to student interests and sparks their curiosities. And our last goal is to increase students' reading volume and stamina, encourage talk around books, and allow for positive experiences with reading. So with those three goals in mind, we created these grade level bands that just provide additional information for parents, students, and teachers and community members. So each web page across the grade level bands is set up very similarly. And if you look at any of the grade level bands, you'll see that they start with reading goals. And then the green section talks more about the project itself. And what we ask students to do is just dedicate time to reading, self-select their own reading material, and then prepare for September by selecting something that's really meaningful out of what the work that they've done in reading, and come prepared to talk about it with classmates and with teachers, and to really just exchange in dialogue surrounding their text. And we help them do that in preparation by providing some student checklist information for them. So each grade level is set up very similarly, with the demands for conversation becoming a little bit more progressively rigorous as the grade level bands increase. Last, we created a teacher resource page. Our librarians have done a wonderful job connecting our kids to the local libraries, and we have been helping kids set up library card accounts so that when they leave in September, they not only have a plan for reading, but they also have the library card to give them access to all the reading materials they may want. Our teachers and students have been busy creating book trailers and making recommendations that are shared with everyone on this site. And we've also hyperlinked to some really reputable book source book lists, so parents and students can have a starting place. Because choice is so important, we want to provide some opportunities to help inform choices based on recommendations of other experts. We also give kids ideas for podcasts that they may be interested in, and experience text in a different way. So we give them some of those that have been vetted. We also provide some websites for students who like to read online or really are looking for some interesting ideas online to spark their curiosities. And some other websites that provide access to audiobooks or streaming videos that we thought students may be interested in. And last, parents often like their students to be independent learners and want to send them off to do some research online. We provide some safe search engines where parents can send them off and know that their safe search is enabled. And last, our teacher resource page. This is a place our teachers can go, again, in one comprehensive stop. And this provides everything any teacher in grades from kindergarten through 8th grade can find everything that they need to better understand the project, to create a plan, and to help send their students off this summer with an excellent summer reading plan, and then welcome them back again in the spring with some ideas to help shape discussions and how teachers can get to know their new readers who are sitting in front of them in September in a quick way. So we have all of those resources connected there for our teachers. So going back to our curriculum site, we have that summer reading initiative where we just were. And I also just want to share, we created a summer reading informational screencast for parents or new teachers to the district. So we have one consistent message. We have created this presentation, and here parents can go learn all about our project. And also we provided screencasts for parents to watch, and it's separated by grade level band, and it just provides an overview of every web page and provides additional information that parents may be interested in. So it breaks it down for those who may be overwhelmed by the amount of information available to them. And it gives them all of that in an auditory visual experience. So we're hoping that by taking the time to really create this comprehensive web page, we will successfully launch our new summer reading initiative and have our kids excited about reading just as they are now as we close out the year, and continue to grow readers throughout the summer months. So again, I thank you for taking the time to listen to my presentation. If you should have any questions or feedback, I really welcome that. Please feel free to send me an email or to give me a call. Thank you so much.